Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to send bulk email and just do it to certain groups. So once you're logged in as you, come up here to email up top. And we're already in bulk email because that's highlighted. When we go to the select groups pull down, we're going to hit programs and we're going to select volunteer roles in this case because we want to send to just coaches and assistant coaches. Okay, I'm going to throw in, if you scroll down, there's this custom groups. You may be able to see this and make your life easier. If you click on that and you see these two groups, you can use them. So this is all head and assistant coaches that I've already created. And this is coaches, assistant coaches, and team managers is that group. Okay, so if you can see that, you just hit the plus sign and use it. But let's go back and let's go and look at it a different way. So we're going to select volunteer roles from the select groups pull down. Now, here's what makes it easier. You come over here to the volunteer role and you hit that little triangle pull down right there. Now, what that does, it gives you a list of all the different roles. Okay. If you select clear, and then we're going to select, in this case, assistant coach and head coach and hit filter. Now what that's going to do is that's going to limit the list to just coaches. And then we're going to use this pull down, the status pull down. And again, we're going to clear it and just select allocated and filter. So now what you've got is you only have assigned coaches and assistant coaches in this list. Okay. Now, right up here, when I hit that plus sign, it automatically dumps that entire group into my recipients pile. They're all there. Head coaches and assistant coaches allocated to any team. Now, you can save you can save this list for yourself and give it a name, okay? If you can't see those other two that I showed you in custom groups. Scroll down, do your thing, send it. That's how you do it.